So this is Akash Soni, co-founder and CEO of Indi Energy. So we are an energy storage startup based from IIT Roorkee, India, working towards uh, sodium and battery and these components development for applications like solar, wind, electric mobility, etc. So as you all know, there's a huge challenge in comes to scaling of the global battery industry. The main reason being the few resources availability for lithium, and we have to rely on importing of the lithium because of the geographic unavailability. And the best solution right now is really sodium ion batteries, which are made from earth abundant materials and can deliver performance equivalent to lithium ion batteries at low cost. So, I mean, we are working on developing the sodium ion batteries, which can deliver performance at low cost. This is a sodium ion cell completely indigenously developed by us. We not only work on the battery cell development side, Indian Energy is an end-to-end solution right from developing materials and cell technologies for sodium ion batteries. And our sodium ion batteries delivers made from low-cost earth-abundant materials, have a same battery design compared to lithium-ion batteries. They are much more sustainable. They're actually much more safe compared to lithium-ion batteries. And we're developing this technology for application like EV, two-wheeler, three-wheeler, batteries for solar and wind energy, UPS inverter batteries, SLI batteries, small applications, solar lanterns, solar sheet light, etc. So Indian Energy works on both aspects. We work on the cell development as well as the component development simultaneously for sodium ion batteries. And right now we are also working on making packs to demonstrate for application, as I mentioned. Our first innovation is the use of agricultural waste to make a very high quality hard carbon for sodium ion batteries. We have achieved the highest capacity in hard carbon, and we used agricultural waste like rice straw, wheat straw, sugarcane bagasse, etc. A technology patented by Indi Energy. We have filed and got granted both Indian and international patents. We are currently only working company in India working towards supplying this low cost, high quality hard carbon with a pilot plant running at IIT Roorkee. We are already supplying this material to some of our customers in US and Europe, and a few customers in Sweden actually, like company like Altis, have given us very good feedback. As this is one of the best hard carbon they ever tested in sodium ion batteries. So it shows that the quality of our technology and also and how we can compete in the global market. Our second innovation is a very important innovation. We have developed our own cathode also. See, in a battery, you know this anode, cathode, electrolyte, and you combine them to create a battery cell. So this is a earth abundant material based sodium ion cathode with no use of lithium, cobalt, or nickel. Is capable of discharging at a very high rate. We have already tested over 3C rate and performs really well over long cycle life. Is another technology patented by Indian Energy. And we combine these to create India's first indigenous developed sodium ion battery cell, completely made in locally available materials. This is a 3.2 volt 1000 mAh capacity cell, which we already tested over 1000 cycles with over 80% capacity retention. Right now, we are working on two aspects. First is making battery packs for this sodium ion batteries. Second is improving the cyclability and the quality of the battery cell that comes out of Indian Energy. In terms of product differentiation, so our technology competes with LFP technology in lead acid batteries in terms of energy density, almost equivalent to LFP batteries of similar cell voltage, and working on improving the cycle life to reach cyclability till LFP technology. The cost on a cost factor, we estimate up to 30%, 20 to 30% cheaper than LFP batteries, on almost on 1.4 times better, but cost of ownership wise much cheaper than lead acid batteries. So we aim to replace both technologies for different industrial applications. On a broader context, other battery technologies, we also compete with redox flow batteries and aluminum battery along with LFP lead acid battery in terms of energy density, cyclability, rechargeability, cost, using earth abundant materials, round trip efficiency, etc. In terms of global competitiveness, Indian Energy is one of the few companies who are actually working and providing end-to-end solution, right from developing materials to cell technology and also battery pack for sodium-ion batteries. Uh, and we believe that soon this technology would really showcase its ability uh, to replace lead acid battery, lithium-ion batteries going forward. Uh, I mean, we are planning to unveil our product in the next 2 weeks to showcase in a smaller application and simultaneously moving to a bigger application going forward. In terms of achievements, we have filed over 15 patents in various aspects of sodium-ion batteries. Few patents already granted to us. We have filed on all aspects of sodium-ion battery, including the anode, cathode, electrolyte, and the battery cell. We have received investment up to $2 million recently by big capital group from US and Vietnam, and also from Indian government agencies. We have won multiple national and international awards, including DRDO Dating 3.0 contest, National Startup Award, and the Institute sector. We won the Electraverse Spark Startup Award in Electrama, the world's biggest exhibition in electricity and allied equipment, etc. This is a winning team. We are team consists of 15 and 20 people who is working on developing this technology. We have Professor Yogesh Sharma, who is the professor and one of India's top battery scientists, currently heads the R&D team at Indi Energy and developing the battery technology for sodium-ion batteries. We have been covered by the media for different media agencies for our sodium-ion batteries. This is the state of our facility that currently have for making battery materials, sodium battery production facility for using from agricultural waste. This is a facility of making hard carbon and sodium cathode up to 1 kg per day. This is the electrode fabrication facility for making battery cells. It's a dry room facility. So currently we are looking to raise up to $3 million. Our next step is to first of all unveil our sodium and battery product that we're going to do in the next 2 weeks, and then we will set up a bigger production facility to develop an integrated bigger production unit to make sodium and batteries and battery packs for bigger industrial application like batteries for e-rickshaw, battery for bigger solar and grid storage, bigger solar street lights, etc. If you have any questions, you may ask. Thank you. This is the website and the email.